Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minute chart we have opened a very good gap up and that gap up has sustained and this was our resistance level. So see it has once twice took the support of this resistance turning support, and the first of it was consolidating, and in second of we have seen a very good rally, and this rally was due to the cash market purchasing in the cash market. So there was a good cash was pumped. So Nifty closed with 127 points positive, whereas Bank Nifty opened gap up and in 5 minutes chart it has not sustained. This was our resistance. It was traded near our resistance only, giving a false breakout, but again came back to the center pivot range. And in second half again it has closed near our resistance. So Bank Nifty closed with 110 points positive. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player plan for tomorrow's expiry. Will follow by FII in options in put they were holding 2.88 lakhs of put buying. Today they have unwinded put buying of 51,000 contracts, so they have 2.36 lakhs of put buying contract. And in call they were holding 2.65 lakhs of call buying. Now they have added 38,000 contracts, so they have 3.03 lakh call buying. Slight call buying is more than put buying. It means they are bullish in options now. And in future index they have increased the long, reduced the short by 4%. Stock future percentage 55% long, 45% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 1,382 crores. So see, they again started buying in cash market and they have hedged their positions in F&O. So FII view is bullish only. Client are the retailers. In put they were holding 3.17 lakhs of put writing contract. Now they have unwinded 2.59 lakhs of put writing, still holding 57,000 put writing contract. And in call they were holding 3.33 lakhs of call writing. So they have added 36,000 contracts. So they have 3.70 lakhs of call writing contract. So they are negative in options now. They have a good number of call writing positions. And in future index 51% long, 49% short. They have reduced the long, increased the short by 1%. Stock which are percentage 82% long, 18% short, and they sold for 477 crores in the cash market. So see, client don't have any view, but they are on a negative side. Promoters input they were holding 59,000 contract input writing. They have increased 2.08 lakhs, so they have 2.67 lakhs of put writing, and in call they were holding 67,000 contract by yesterday. Now they have unwinded 1.5 K 1500 contracts, still holding 66,000 contract in call buying, so they are super bullish in options. Future index 44% long, 56% short. They have reduced the long, increased the short by 1%. Stock future percentage 62% long, 38% short, and in cash market they purchased for 389 crores. So see, promoter view is bullish only. DI have purchased for 392 crores, so the cash flow was 1687 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week, for tomorrow it is at 1.33, super bullish for tomorrow, and for month end it is at 1.42, super bullish for month end. Bank Nifty 0.89 for tomorrow. It is not that bullish nor bearish, it is neutral. And for month end it is at 1.06, so neutral to positive for the month end. Nifty is super bullish comparing to the Bank Nifty. Now let's check the change in OI, what people carry forwarding. So Nifty for tomorrow's expiry, we have seen a good number of call writing unwinding from 18,500 to 18,650, and a good number of put writing addition from 18,550 to 18,700. And people are holding 18,700 short straddle, so somewhere around 18,700 it has to expire tomorrow. But 18,700 is also acting as good support, and resistance is around 18,800. If Bank Nifty supports tomorrow, we can also reach 19,000 by tomorrow. This can be possible if Bank Nifty supports. So what happened in Bank Nifty? We have seen a huge number of put writing addition from 43,700 to 43,300, and people carry forward a short straddle of 44,300. Bank Nifty looks sideways only. People holding call writing, put writing both. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 5 minutes chart. Just now they have opened with a super bullish candle, Mariposa candle they have started, and they're trading 74 points positive. And see Dow in 5 minutes chart. They opened positive only, and they are at a consolidation phase now. They're trading with 38 points positive. So let's check where US is going to close and where our market is going to open. Anyhow, SGX is trading positive by 31 points, and India VIX at 11.4, very much comfortable. So see Nifty in daily candlestick, we have closed with a green candle and a super positive candle, and it has took the support of top to bottom trend line, and we are on a positive side only. As per the price action, we are ready to move higher. Whereas Bank Nifty in one day candlestick, see it is showing hanging man kind of a candle it has formed today, and it was in our range only. So Bank Nifty is just consolidating. Anyhow, the trend is upside only, but it is consolidating. We are not seeing the pressure from the buyer side. Anyhow, Nifty is more positive than Bank Nifty as per the price action also. So mark the algo points. Nifty support comes around 18,662. First resistance comes around 18,765. Bank Nifty first support comes around 44,163. First resistance comes around 44,366. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is super bullish. We should not short the market. We will just think of buy on dip, keeping a strict stop loss. And see tomorrow's expiry, the big player want to keep the market sideways only. If the first off is sideways, we can see the action in the second off, and again in second off also we can think of buy on dip only. We will not think of shorting as per the price action and as per the open interest analysis. So if tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty both opened gap up and that gap up is sustained, we can blindly think of going long only if that's sustained. And we have to see, do there is a good buying coming in Bank Nifty also. Anyhow, Nifty is super bullish. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.